time is 3 minutes only to write your answer. Are you ready, candidates? Okay, so here is your question. Ruth?
If you were to envision yourself to gain the title of Lakambini ng Villahermosa Norte 2024, what are your strengths and capabilities, and how do these factors can influence other kabataan to be part with your chosen advocacy? Once again, I will read the question.
Minute left. 3, 2, 1. Nakabinis, time's up. Lakambini, number 1.
Hi, good evening, Lakambini number 1. Kumusta?
Okay lang po.
Anong nararamdaman mo?
Naiiyak po.
Naiiyak Ma'am kasi, of course,
Ang ganda-ganda mo naman.
yung excitement niya sa pagsali ng search na ito. So, Lakambini number 1, are you ready to read your answer?
Sir.
Judges?
As a vibrant member of this barangay, having the ability to communicate to the people has a great impact for me because it is one way to influence our co-kabataan, especially in their mental health. By accessing to our legal organizations, schools, and barangay officials, my communication skills is one thing that I can use for our barangay by promoting a mental health awareness and by making sure that we can live in a positive and friendly barangay. Together, we can make a difference. Together for Villa Norte.
That's normal. Okay, so I think Lakambini number 2 is now ready to read her answer.
If I were to be the next entitled Miss Lakambini ng Villahermosa, my only one strength is my family, who truly support me. Also, my fellow community, who lift up my confidence to this competition. With this, I can use my relationship with my community to encourage them, support green, invest in green, because I know a greener environment can contribute our resilient community. Thank you.
Okay no.
Okay, so Lakambini number 3, I think you are now ready to read your answer.
Huwag kang kabahan. Ang ganda-ganda naman nila Lakambini number 3.
Nangihinig ako kanina eh. Punta sa
If I win of Lakambini of Villa Norte, I would promote the various platforms to promote the awareness campaigns on proper waste management and recycling practices in our barangay. Thank you.
Sabi sa inyong lahat, para sa akin, tungkol sa advocacy ang aking napili ay sex education. Kasi maraming nabubuntis at marami din kabataan hindi alam ang ano kaya nabubuntis. Thank you.
Number 5.
Kumusta naman Lakambini number 5? Ang ganda-ganda mo, Iha. Paano yung kanyang color? Ang ganda-ganda mo. Alright, so I guess ready na rin ito magbasa ng kanyang sagot sa survey.
Bilang isang Pilipinang Villa Norte, ang aking ipro-promote ay ang aking advokasya. Bilang isang Pilipinang Villa Norte, ang aking ipro-promote ay ang aking advokasya na patungkol sa kalusugan ng isip. Gusto ko ang lumikha ng maliit na espasyo para sa open discussion at suporta.
Thank you very much.